Oh, it's a good way to start a video right there. For those of you who watch later, tripping over cords left and right. Hey, Kaylee, thank you for checking in. Kellen, Greta, thank you for checking in. Gonna move over a little bit so you guys can see announcements for this week. Announcements for this week: there will be no YouTube live on Friday. I won't be in town. I'll be going to a doctor's appointment on Friday, so I will not. We will not have YouTube on Friday. Also, remember it's Hawaiian week this week, so send me pictures. I've gotten, I think, 6 or 7 of you. So all of you will be getting 10 bonus points for doing that. So great job on that. Morgan sent a funny one yesterday. Gabri, she made a PowerPoint of when she went to Hawaii, so that was really cool. Morgan and Dory, thank you for checking in. Caden, thank you for checking in. Carson with Gabe, appreciate that. Luke, Jesselyn, hi, thank you for checking in. Maddox, comrade, how are you doing? Weston's checked in. Zoe, thank you for checking in. Kellen, what were you trying to say? Do we have to? Oh, you do not have to. It's for extra bonus points if you want to. Just to throw in a little fun for you guys if you wanted to do that. Bristol, thank you for checking in. Emma, thank you for checking in. Gabe. Jillian, thank you for checking in. Greta, 5 and 6. I'll turn to that page so we can. Wesley, if you don't have any questions, you are free to go. Absolutely. Karina, thank you for checking in. Caitlin and Jeremy, thank you for checking in. Jana, thank you for checking in. Again, if you guys have questions, don't be afraid to ask. Bye, Weston, thank you for checking in. Greta, let's go through number 6 quick. I'm going to try my best to draw this. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll be something. Bye, Karina and Jana. Bye, Kellen. Natalie, thank you for checking in. So this is 11 yards. 21 and a 40. Bye, Emma. Thank you for checking in. Raleigh, thank you for checking in. Catherine, thank you for checking in. All right, so Greta, what you want to do, you're going to create 2 triangles here. So you're going to create one here where the point goes, and then a triangle right here across there. So now you have to find the base and the height. Okay, well, you know this whole thing is 40. So then since you're splitting it in half, what's half of 40? It'd be 20. So your base for each triangle would be 20. And then your height, since this height is 11, and you know this whole piece is 21, what's the difference from here to here for this part right here? It'd be 10. So then you just find the base and you do 1/2 base times height, Greta, for the triangles, and then you know what for the length and the width. Length is 40, and the width is 11 for the rectangle. Dominic Akira, thank you for checking in. Caden, okay, hold on. On page 363. Right here. This is number 5, Caden. So I just walked through that. Okay? So you just have to create 2 triangles. Natalie, yes, we are. And I explained that with the other group. Or in the video for next week. We will next week will be the last week of new assignments for you guys. And then the following week, if you've caught up on all your late work, then you do not have any assignments the week of May 18th through the 22nd. So if that answers your question, Natalie. There you go, Maddox. Or Maddox. Yeah, Maddox is, there you go. Okay. Haley, thank you for checking in. We don't, Dominic and Kiera, if you don't have any questions, you may head out. Yes. Cammy, thank you for checking in. Aiden, thank you for checking in. Gabri, thank you for checking in.
Kittleson, would you please go to the lobby door? Mrs. Kittleson, to the lobby door.
Again, Gabri sent a good great Hawaiian PowerPoint of her trip to Hawaii that she'll get full extra points for, which was really cool to see. Have a good day, Dominic and Kira. Okay, I'm glad to answer that question. And then Gabri and Caden, if you guys still have questions on number 5, let me know. But this is for number 5. So you just have to find, again, this is 10 yards here. So that you just have to do 1/2 base times height for each triangle, which they're the same. So, and then length is 40, and then your width would be 11 here. So you just multiply those two together. This marker's dying. Bye, Morgan and Dory. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for those Hawaiian pictures. Those are funny. Gave me a good laugh yesterday. Caden, bye. Hopefully I answered your question for you. Haley, bye. Natalie, bye. Bye, Zoe. Bye, Maddox. Bye, Raleigh. Nice seeing you at Hardware Hank the other day. You get full credit of bonus points. So I don't know what the max is going to do. I think I'm going to do like 10 or 15 bonus points. So you'll get the max, Gabri. And not that you need the total extra bonus points, Gabri. You've been doing a great job. She does have it easy. She went there. So, yeah, she had the pictures all made up and everything. For sure. Kaylee. As of now, Gabri, I will say no, that we won't have lives that you need to go to. But I'll let you know for sure next week. I agree. It's not fair that she got to go to Hawaii. Okay, bye, Greta. I didn't help you on number 6, but hopefully, if you do have questions following today, just let me know. Very true. Did you, like, Gabri, did you just take it as a family trip, or did you guys go for like a seed company? Oh, bye. Bye, Gabri. Sorry. Don't want to hold you up. Okay, Gabri or Greta, if you feel comfortable with it, that's totally fine. That's up to you, but yeah, from the seed company. I know a lot of people from around here go for like on like the seed company gives them a voucher. So that's still cool that you get to go at least. So Not a lot of people get to say that. That the number one thing for me for going to Hawaii would probably be Pearl Harbor. That would be really cool to see. She did get creative though, Kaylee, with making a PowerPoint. I mean, that's cool that she did that. She just didn't send me the pictures. She put it into a PowerPoint and put down like her favorite parts and things like that. So that was really cool. More in depth. Yeah, that would be really cool to see. Kind of chilling, know the history and everything. I know I've seen the movie Pearl Harbor, but kind of go more in depth of it would be really cool. Okay, bye, Gabri. Thanks for sharing with us and everything. I appreciate it. Aiden, what problems are you needing help on? Because I can help you with them for sure. And then what lesson? And for today's lesson, I don't remember what lesson that is. I've been working on so many lessons with you guys. So this is week 7, 4th grade. So lesson 69. Riley and Kendra, thank you for tuning in. If you guys have questions, let me know. There will be no YouTube live this Friday. I have a doctor's appointment for our little baby boy that will be coming in July. And then pictures of Hawaiian Week, Kendra, you sent in already, which is awesome. Great job. Thank you. You looked really excited in that picture. But thank you for sending that in. Sorry, Aiden, I'm turning to it right now. So number 4, write a decimal and a fraction or a mixed number to represent each point. So we have a number line. Tanner, thank you for checking in. Kaylee, lesson 69, you go through 26, 1 through 26. Well, today is 1 through 9, and then it's, or 1 through 8, and then 9 through 26. So we have 10 points. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Does it go up? Okay, that's it. All right, and then A here, B here, C is here. Okay, so Aiden, letter A, count how many how many hops you do. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your for your fraction. That's your numerator. And then your denominator is the number of hops you do from 0 to 1. So it should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should be 10. So there's your fraction. So now you have to write 4/10 as a 4/10 as a decimal. Okay, and as a decimal for 4/10, it's 0.4. Okay, so you just do, so now here for B, so that's letter A. B is the same thing, except now you'll have a whole number with it as well. So your whole number will be 1 because it's higher than 1, but between 2. And then the first one is on the first check or the first tick, and then it's still 10. So it'd be 1 1/10. So as a decimal, it'd be 1.1. And then for C, it would be still, the whole number would be 1. And then it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4 over 10. And then it'd be 1 4/10. Thank you, Kendra and Riley. Yeah, baby boy that we're gonna have in late July, hopefully. So excited for that. Thanks, Jesselyn. And then, so Aiden, I hope this answers your question. And then for number 4, and then number 7, 25% of the students in a class completed the science project on Thursday. All of the other students in the class completed the project on Friday. What percent of the students completed the project on Friday? So, okay, bye, Kendra and Riley. So number 7, if 25% finished on Thursday, we need to know how many finished on Friday. So if there's a total, it always starts with 100% of the class. So we just have to go 100% minus 25%. And then whatever you, when you subtract that, whatever you get, that'll be your answer. Bye, Bristol. Thank you for tuning in. Can we do Legos for this week? What do you mean, do Legos? You're welcome, Aiden. I'm glad to help. Glad to answer your questions. Wyatt, thank you for checking in. If you have questions, let me know. Oh, excuse me. Oh, yeah, absolutely you can. Kaylee, sorry I didn't understand what you were saying, but yes, absolutely. You can do Legos. That'd be really cool. Aaron, thank you for checking in. For those of you who just tuned in, there won't be a YouTube live this Friday. I'm going to be in Fargo having a doctor's appointment for our baby that's coming in July. Bye, Jesselyn. Thank you for checking in and tuning in. And then if you haven't yet, send pictures of your Hawaiian week. Number 1, part 2. So I'm guessing that's for the review. You're asking, Wyatt. Let me just turn to that page. Okay, so convert length to feet and inches. So if so you have to convert 21.5 inches to feet. So if we have 21.5 inches and we are multiplying and we have to put feet in inches, if there's 12 inches in 1 foot, go across, it'd be 21.5 divided by 12. So then you have to just do that, Wyatt. That's awesome, Kaylee. And if it doesn't get done today, you have till Friday or even over the weekend. If you want to take a picture at Sunday, that's totally fine. You can send it then too. There'll be another theme for next week. And then that'll be the last theme. I wish I would have started this earlier so we could have more themes, but we'll have another theme next week. So Wyatt, I hope this answers your question. So you just have to go 21.5 divided by 12. So you have 12 goes into 21 once. Subtract, you get 9. Bring up the decimal, bring down the 5, and then 12 into 95. Let's try. It'd be 8's too big, so you have to go 7. That'd be 84. Subtract, you get 11. Bring down a 0. 8 and 9. You get 9. That'd be 108. Subtract, you get 2, 0. You get 1. And then I think it actually wants it in a fraction, but bye, Jillian. You can just round it to the nearest hundredth, so it'd be just 1.79 feet would be your label. If that answers your question, Wyatt. Or you could have went 21 as a fraction, 1/2 times inches, feet, 1/12. So it'd be 21 1/2 divided by 12. So then it'd be 43 over 2. Stay, change, flip. So it'd be 43 over 24. So then you get 1, be 24, and then you get 9. No, be 19. Yeah, be 19 over 24. So either way would work. But Charlie, that's okay. Announcements for this week. This will be the only YouTube live for the week. I won't be here on Friday. And then pictures of Hawaiian week if you haven't yet. Send those. And number 13. So Wyatt, number 13, what I would do, I would create, so I'll try my best to draw Oklahoma here. I'm not gonna, don't worry about the bottom, how it's like jagged. I would just use like cut it right across. It's just asking for approximate, so that's okay. You do not have to, Charlie. It's just for extra credit, if you want to. So then we have 222, and then up to here, that's 167. Here is 35, and this whole thing is from here to here is 464. Okay, so you have to figure out. So let's start with the small one first. I'll label them 1 and 2. So this one, it already gives you, so from here to here, it already gives you that. So you have to go 167 times 35 and get your answer. And then for this one, you have to figure out what this measurement is right here. So that would be 467 or 464 minus 167. Because you need to figure out this part here. So then it'd be 7, 3, it'd be 9, 297. So then you have to go 222 times 297. And whatever you get here and here, you just add them together and then you'll have your answer. Charlie, you are able to go yes. If you don't have any questions. Wyatt, hopefully I answered that question. So I'm not going to multiply for you, but you just have to multiply this and then add them together. And then that'll be your answer. It could, like, it has in the book, like, it falls in between this number and this number. So it doesn't have to be exact, but it has to be close. So. I'll probably stay on till 11:30 today, and then I'll probably head out since there's only, 3 of you still on here. But if there's continuing to be more questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. I'm guessing it's Kaylee and Wyatt still left on here, so. Bye, Wyatt. I'm glad to help. Just the two of us. I was waiting for that, Kaylee, but I might even cut it shorter. I'll probably wait. Yeah, we'll go 3 more minutes. And if nobody else tunes in, Kaylee, I'll probably end early since there's only you and I. So got to answer a lot of questions today, which is good. Usually I don't get to answer that many. So glad I could help a little bit at least. How's your move going, Kaylee? Are you guys almost done moving, or are you still in the beginning process? I don't know when you're supposed to be moved out or not, but it's going okay. As a move should be how it goes. Oh, the house is coming Friday. Oh, so you're moving a house in. Okay, that's cool. So you're getting a brand new house. That's really cool. Are you guys moving it onto like a farmstead or out in the country? I think you said out on the farm. Mid-June. Okay, that's not bad. You're probably just boxing everything up in your house and kind of getting organized to move everything out. Okay, that's very cool. Very cool. All right, well, I'm gonna cut it short, Kaylee. So, those of you who will watch this after this, not live, if you guys have questions, let me know via email. Otherwise, announcements. There will be no YouTube this Friday, and then Hawaiian week will go up till Saturday or Sunday, and I'll keep giving you bonus points. Okay. Again, miss you guys. Hope to see you soon. Peace out. Bye, Kaylee.